How to set floating notification to off bubbles or smart pop-up view on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. So you will see notification is here, so click on notifications. Now here, so click on advanced settings. So after click on advanced settings, so you will see floating notification is here, so click on floating notification. So if you want to set bubbles, so click on bubbles. You will see floating notification is set into bubbles. So if you want to set off, so click on off. You will see floating notification is set on off. So if you want to set pop-up smart view, so click on pop-up smart view. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set floating notification off bubbles or smart pop-up view on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.